Okay, so we're back on it. So some of you have been asking what a typical session for me looks like. Well, here it is. I'll put rep ranges and sets and stuff like that in the description. So try it on and let me know what you think. If you were interested in any of our online programming, which includes fitness and plant-based nutrition, then there's a link in the description below as well. So just click on that and that'll take you to our webpage and you can just check it out. Right then, speak to you soon.